The sounds of a dying air conditioner. A few weeks ago, our downstairs air conditioner started making this god-awful racket. The rattling noise. It's obviously coming from the compressor. It's like 60-something degrees out here. I think that my dad always keeps the thermostat on auto, which means it'll switch between heat and cool at any given point depending on the set point. It was running when it was like 27 degrees out here one time, and it was making this god-awful noise. And I think that is what caused it. Any ideas on what the hell this noise is? And what's causing it? The unit itself has a 2004 Payne teardrop unit, 12 SEER model PH12NA06000ABAA, serial 4104E284 something, 472. Original of the house. It's always been this noisy, but it's never made the weird noise. Any help appreciated. Thanks.